ou creemos que é o único piringallo que está aquí en Filadelfia vendo os fucking Rolling Stones. ¿Qué se siente? ¿Qué se siente?
I feel very sad, you know, because Panorama for me is the most important orchestra in the world, and I worked very hard, like a dog all the summer to give money and take my woman to the fucking concert, you know. And now we are ready for the Foliada night. And in this sense, I think that it's a good thing for all the community of the Piringaya to be here in Philly. That Piringaya is called here Philadelphia, but this Piringaya really is Piringaya. Philadelphia is Piringaya. Okay, you know. Okay. Good night, guys.